Hello, my name's Beth, and I work here at Hogarth's house. I am in the garden today at Hogarth's house with an outdoor activity that I'd like to share with you. It's called nature weaving, and it's something that you can do in a green space near you. All you need is 4 sticks, some string or twine, scissors that you should use with an adult's help, and leaves that you can find on the ground this time of year. I've got mine from the garden here, but any will do. Once we've gathered our materials, we can get started. I'm going to work in our greenhouse. First, we take our 4 sticks and place them in a rectangle. If they don't exactly match up, that's okay. Tie each corner together and we get a frame. Try and tie them tight so that the frame is sturdy. Then, we tie some string to one corner of our frame and wrap the string back and forth around it. Again, we want to try and make it as tight as we can. We do this until we've reached the opposite corner. This is where our leaves come in. Weave the leaves you found into our lines of string. This can be done in any order you like. We want to only use leaves we found on the ground. This is because pulling leaves off the plants can harm them. And wow, look at the beautiful weaving we've done.